At least 24 inches, 600 millimeters of rain fell in a single day on the coastal region of Brazil. Rain continued through the end of the month, thereby hindering search and rescue efforts. Footage across TV and social media showed entire neighborhoods submerged, flooded highways, and destroyed vehicles. Residents were seen using small boats to elevate people and items. The disaster struck during Carnival, and many festivities were canceled. Tourists were asked to stay away from the region in order to avoid overloading hospitals, roads, and water and food supply. Many says the flood is God's judgment on Brazil for the despicable mockery they displayed at the Carnival, bringing shame to God's name and his kingdom, thereby exalting Satan with their devilish act. In a statement, Governor Tarcísio de Freitas said that the accumulation of rain in the cities of the north coast of São Paulo was the highest recorded in Brazil's history. According to the National Center for Disaster, he also added that the catastrophe on the north coast is one of the worst incidents of flooding and landslides in the state. The disaster struck during Carnival, and many festivities were canceled. Tourists were asked to stay away from the region in order to avoid overloading hospitals, roads, and water and food supply. São Paulo Governor Tarcísio de Freitas declared 3 days of mourning in the state and a 180-day state of calamity for 6 towns. More than 1,000 people, including military police, firefighters, civil defense technicians, and health professionals. From the government of São Paulo, the armed forces, Brazil has a significant social safety network with various non-governmental and governmental organizations that have responded to the flooding. The area hit by the disaster is the wealthiest state in the country, but that doesn't mean that all people affected will have their needs met. Philanthropy's role is to support those that are underserved and under-resourced. Do you think Brazil flood was because the mock God in their Carnival? Share your thoughts in the comments section. Subscribe to this channel for more insightful videos.